Meet Sam. Sam is a main contractor who got a request from his client to use a green roof on their next project. Sam contacts a roofing contractor and asks them to take on this project, which in turn contacts Eco Green Roofs to supply and install a green roof. Eco Green Roofs installed a great-looking roof on the client's build and gave them the O&M manual to the roofing contractor. However, the manual was simply buried in a pile of other documents. 2 years and zero maintenance later, Sam got a call from the client who was mad about how the living roof looks now. Sam now has to pay Eco Green Roofs a small fortune to recover the damaged roof. Sam learned his lesson. On the next project, he will let Eco Green Roof take care of the maintenance for him. They made sure the roof gets a scheduled maintenance during the year, keeping it in great shape and saving Sam lots of money on repairs. Contact Eco Green Roofs today. www.ecogreenroofs.co.uk. Info@ecogreenroofs.co.uk.